Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swenson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today we're going to talk about campaign 3. And notice this front cover. It says 3 clinical line eraser. And it's powered by retinol. It's the #1 fighting ingredient for wrinkles. And what's kind of cool is in this brochure, when you order any of the new, the ultimate, the platinum, the reverse list, or the Vital lines, anything in those, 2 of those, you get it for free. This size is normally $40. What a great way to start the new year, getting your skin in shape. And if you want to know, if you can't figure out which one of those is for you, if you go to my e-store or your rep's e-store, go under skincare, and there is a skincare advisor, and it will help you find which products are best suited for your skin by the questions you answer. So that's one of the cool things. And you know me, I have to show you a few things so I don't forget. I have on this fun wrap wrist bracelet. It wraps around 3 times, and it has all kinds of fun little hearts on it. And they are $14.99. It does have a really big clasp. And I use my paper clip kind of a thing. If you undo a paper clip, you can put one end in your clasp, and then you can actually do your closing of it yourself. That's what a lot of people have trouble when they have these kind of clasps. They say, I can't do it. Well, yes, you can. If you use a paper clip, just undo it. The other thing I have to make sure I show you is this ring I have on. It is, thanks for tuning in. It is sterling silver. So let me get this close enough so you can see it. I just wanted to wear it today. It's sterling silver, 14 karat gold overlay, and it has all kinds of Swarovski crystals in it, and it's raised a little bit. And I love hearts, and guess what? It's heart season, and they're normally $119.99, and they're on sale for $59.99. So I got myself something for love. And then I'm just going to kind of go through things, see if I can show you stuff. Everybody has a story, and what's kind of cool is Avon's made 4 different fragrances so you can tell your story. And my philosophy is every day your story might be different because your mood might be different. So why not get a little bit of each of them? And these are all a little bit different. And what's kind of fun is they are, we have this one, it's called Skip a Beat. And look at the fun little containers that they are in. The boxes kind of match them, so I'll put it on top so you can see it. And this one does have a scratch and sniff in the catalog, so you can when you get your catalog, you can scratch and see if that's the one for you. And then we also have, so you can see this. This one is Something Amazing, and this one is more of a fresh kind of a smell. This one is more of a fruity kind of a smell. And this one also has a scratch and sniff in the catalog. And I love the names of these. This one's called Work Your Magic, and it's a warm smell. It's mysterious and intriguing kind of a smell. And this one is called Cloud 9, and it's a floral. And these 2 do not have scratch and sniffs, but if you're my customers, I'm doing giving everybody a few extra samples this time so that they, this is my way of rewarding you to ordering at the beginning of the year. I give more samples out. So yes, I appreciate everybody's business. And some fun things, like I said, we are in the love season, and we have a lot of fun kind of things. Scrubs. If you haven't done your scrub of your body this year so that your moisturizers can get in, this is a great one, and it's just in a limited time. It's in our fruity yogurt ones, and it has cranberry seed built into it so it helps slough off the dead skin. So it's a great one. It's only $3.99, and it's in with our Senses line. So our shower gels are like $2.99, and the lotions are $3.99, and the body sprays are like $4.99. So it's a great time to get some your bath and body stuff too. And then we have skincare. And last time I talked about hydration, still am. We have to hydrate our bodies. And the Hydrofusion line still has a wonderful introductory price for our this one that has the broad spectrum sunscreens in it. And besides this, a new retinol that's wonderful buy. Notice this. This is one I think everybody should be using at night. Get it. It's a wonderful time to be starting the nighttime routine if you aren't. Is the beginning of the year. The Ultimate Supreme. It has the black pearl in it, and they are on sale for $34.99, and it does go a long ways. So it's just a dabble to you. You don't need to do tons of it. Towards the back of the catalog, we have all kinds of Valentine's Day stuff, and we have, if you don't want to give roses, you can give the rose smells, and we have one called Smitten with Roses, and we also have one called Blushing Petals, and they both have a rose tint to them. And there's shower gels and body creams and mists and the hand creams. And I love these hand creams. I tried them on when I opened up my stuff to get them ready to show you guys, because I had tried it yet. And it has shea butter and vitamin E in it. And boy, does it give you like an instant little hand cream manicure. And then to top off my little manicure to make my hands look younger, one of my favorite things is the base coats. And they make it makes your hand and nails look shiny and younger looking. So why not start your figure out looking younger too? And they're also in a mix and match 2 for $12. So it's a great time to be getting them. And another better together thing, I guess I should move these back so that I can get in here, is our Ultimate Lashes. And this is one that you can use on your brows as well as your upper lashes. And when you use it, you just put it in once. You can use, and there's enough on your brush to dip. You don't need to double dip, so you can do it on both lashes. And they made this in one of those better together things. And when you get this and our Love at First Lash, you can get them both for $45. Normally would have been $72. So great time to do that. And guess what? This is rated the top one for lash serums by InStyle magazine. So wonderful is that. And did you notice this gorgeous set? I was going to wear it, but I thought, no, I've got to be able to get it up closer so that you can see it, because the catalog doesn't quite do it justice. This has really beautiful detail. And the crystals on it just like pop. And you buy the pieces that you want. There is also a ring. And the ring has little CZs around the sides of it. And the bracelet is one that has extenders, so you get to pick how big it or loose it is on you, or tight. And then the earrings are they are a post, and the necklace, and it does have the extender on it. But notice this cool little box that's sitting here. The Valentine's Day stuff comes in some fun little heart boxes, and so I think that's kind of cool. And what's going on? Oh, I knocked that over. Lipsticks. We have some fun lipsticks. Look at this. It's in a kind of like a, looks like a cardboardy kind of tube, but when you undo this, it's, can you see that? It is shaped like a heart. I love this lipstick. There's like 3 different colors and 3 different tubes to pick from, and they're like, I think they're like $6.99. But is that ever a fun? Would that be a fun thing for a gift, as a gift? And we cannot get the kiddos. We have a lot of kiddo stuff in the back. Where, so I think it starts at like page 194. The Valentine's Day stuff does. And one of the things in there is this little, looks like a little candy, but what it actually is 2 lip glosses. And we have 2 different ones to pick from. But I thought those were fun, but I thought it's for kiddos or for the adults. And bath bombs are so big. And so we have some for Valentine's Day. This one says BFF, and it's a lemon mint one. And then we have one that says love, and it has, I think it's pomegranate in that one. Then we have another one, and it's a mango, and I can't remember what it says, but yeah, but you can check it out. And then, I'm seeing how much stuff I can knock over. Breast cancer awareness is always all year round. I had a miracle, and if you didn't read my miracle, I posted it on my regular Facebook page, my personal one. But I am a living miracle, walking miracle about breast cancer. You have to read it. But we have a bunch of breast cancer things. This one is a bracelet, and they also have different extenders on it, so depending on what size you wear, $6. And then we also, if you liked that quartz, the pink quartz necklace that we had a while back, they brought it back, and I do have some customers that just loved it, and so that's another thing. And don't forget our guys, but I think this is one that us women can wear too. It also has extenders on it so that you can wear it, but it's stainless steel, and in here, in this part here, is black crystals, and I just think it's gorgeous. $29.99. Oh, and did you notice my necklace? This was one that was inspired by some Avon representatives, so I think that's kind of cool. And if you haven't been doing your hydration, we do have these wonderful hydration drinks. They work great by putting, I did one, and I just drank a little bit out of my water bottle, poured it in, shook it up, and it was really yummy. It does have lots of electrolytes and vitamins and minerals and stuff in it. We have them in lemon, lime, orange, and berry. And buy one box of 20, get another box half price. And another thing that I have incorporated, I had to start using, I couldn't wait to share. It took some out of my container, in fact, so I could carry it around and still be able to use it, is our plant powder, powder greens. Loving this stuff. I put it in my morning smoothies with my plant powder proteins, and when you buy the greens, you can get a canister of the plant powder protein for half price. What a good deal, right? So why not start the year off great? And I thought, go along with this lipstick. This was in last year, my calendars that I bought from Avon to give to my customers, that says, all you need is love, but a little lipstick doesn't hurt. So love yourself and get yourself a lipstick too. And remember, we always have little sales flyers, and we can always back order 2 brochures. So campaigns 2 and 3 are good while I'm ordering out of campaign 3. So thanks much. I appreciate all of your business and your friendship and love. Thank you. Have a wonderful 2019. And if I can ever answer any questions or you want a sample of something special, let me know. And if I can get it, I will. Thanks much. God bless. Face Winston, independent sales rep at National Recruiter for Avon.